Hey everybody, welcome back to a less than exciting episode today. Now, here in Michigan, and again, I think I've mentioned this before, from April to July, I couldn't have bought a drop of rain. From July to August, I can't sell you one, there's so much. I was able to finally get my little field finished from the last rainstorm that we had in last week's episode. The Green Bastard did a fine job on that. So, I can't do anything else. I wanted to get my 1155 out and maybe take you guys on a disc ride because I thought that'd be fun, but I can't. Everything's too wet. So what are you doing when it's wet outside and you can't do nothing? Maintenance. So today, I am going to attempt to do a 10-minute oil change, lube oil filter, the whole shooting match. Now, with that being said, I am going to do, why don't you stand over there? I am going to do this completely unedited. This is going to be one shot. I'm going to set my timer for 10 minutes and see just how close to 10 minutes I can come. Because, you know, when you take your car in, it's super duper maxi 10-minute super oil change special. Well, we're going to do a super duper maxi 10-minute oil change special. Now, guys, I have cheated a little bit because I already laid out my tools. And if any of you guys work on stuff and have a barn of your own, you know that 20 minutes of that 10-minute oil change is just rounding everything up. So, yeah, I did this part already. But, nevertheless, let's get this going. So, first thing I'm going to do is set this for 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes. Turn it up. And are we ready? Okay. Bang. Here we go. Let's see if we can do this. No promises. Okay, one down. Gotta keep the place clean around here. Now, guys, I change the oil on this tractor once a year, whether it needs it or not. I don't put but maybe 30 hours a year on this thing. But I figure if I at least change the oil once a year, that's one less thing that can probably cause me trouble later on down the road, you know. Oh, come on, you. I hate these cartridge filters. It's gonna fight me all the way, too. Yep, sure enough. Okay, let's let that sit there for a minute. Whew, that's a lot of oil. Jeez, don't tell my wife the wedding ring just came off. Okay. Oh, shit. Oh. Try to rush and look what happens. All right. The fun thing with these guys, there's a bunch of crud always on the bottom of these, no matter what. Just how she goes. You want to get that out the best you can. Okay. Actually, that looks pretty good. You can't see that, but it does look pretty good. So I'm going to let that sit right there for a minute. Oh, I forgot one tool. Dang it. That'll work. That's not going to work. There. Ideally, if I had a little pick or something in there to dig this ring out, that'd be perfect. But I don't. Here we go. Yep, that's the one I want. Yeah, watch me struggle. It ain't always an easy road here, guys. There we go. Okay. Okay. No oil change is complete till you finish the air filter. There we go. Ooh. Not the worst I've seen. Forgot to hit the air compressor. I'm losing minutes. We losing minutes, son. All right. Let's take this out here. Okay, that looks fine. I'm going to put that right back in there. Come on, you. There you go. Okay, that's good. Oil's still draining. I'm going to do this real quick. Knock out a couple jerks on this. Bingo. Bingo. I got one on the... Nope, nothing on the pedals. Back here. Good enough. Good enough. That one's missing. I'll fix that later. Good enough. Okay, set that down. You know what? We don't need that thing running in the background all day. Oh, for crying out loud. How we doing on time? 2 minutes. I'm not going to make it. Not going to make it. Get out of my way. Get the plug back on. Good enough. Oop, got some on it. I think this thing holds about 8 quarts of oil, so we'll see what we can do. Come on, baby. What do you think, kiddo? Can you do it on your truck this fast? No. I'm going to put about what I feel is about 7 in here. Fire it up. Let it run for a minute. Check the oil and top it off. And by golly, I think we're pretty close at that point. Air filter is good. Fuel filter, I can't really service that unless I change it, which I'm not going to do today. Oil's good. I got some grease zerks. I know there's a few that I didn't get, but I got the important ones. That's got to be close. Oh, there it is. Okay. Stop. And it's 1:31 right now. So let's see how many extra minutes this takes me. Jam that in there for a minute. Set that on there. Everything's looking good. Let's fire it up. Okay. All right, no leaks. Holding pressure right away. Need a little bit more. Take the cap off, fool. There you go. My gut's telling me that's perfect. My gut tells me a lot of things. Sometimes I don't listen to it, but I'm feeling really good about that. All right, here we go. Get that back in there. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Oh, look at that. I couldn't have got it any more perfect. My gut told me correctly that time. Okay, that's on. That's on. Let's tighten that back down so I'll never get it off again. Ah, there. Well, by golly, my friends, I think that we got just as close to a 10-minute oil change as we could possibly get. Let's see, 133. So, Massey Ferguson, 165, 12-minute special oil change. Some special tools required. Where's my wedding ring? I better put that back on. I don't want Mrs. JT thinking I'm doing videos without my ring on. Who knows what kind of problems that could cause. So there, guys, there you have it. It can pretty much be done. So on that note, I'm going to have to leave you today. And as you can tell, this is a non-edited, start to finish, front to back video. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. Stick around next weekend. Hopefully we'll maybe get a little break on that rain. I'm going to get the 1155 out, hook the disc to it, and just go let it tear ass out in the field. So on that note, thank you for watching, everybody. We will see you next time.
It ain't got no gas in it.